Cancer, hi. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் வாட்ஸ் ஆன் தியர் மைண்ட். அந்த இதில் தான் வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா கேன்சருக்கு பார்க்க போகிறோம். இட்ஸ் அ ஜென்ரல் ஒன். நம்ம ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்காக உங்களோட நேம் வச்சு வந்து பார்க்கல. ஓகே, லைக் இட் குட் பி ஃபார் த ரிலேட்டிவ், இட் குட் பி ஃபார் த சுச்சுவேஷன், இட் குட் பி ஃபார் சர்க்கம்ஸ்டன்ஸ். நீங்கள் எதை பற்றி வேணாலும் வந்து நினைக்கலாம். இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு resonate ஆச்சுன்னா just watch it for a few minutes. If not, you can skip the video. Other than that, if you want to know, if you're looking for some guidance or something, if you want to know about it, my number is in the description box. You can WhatsApp me to know more, like what do you want to know more அப்படின்ற மாதிரி you can WhatsApp me. இப்போ வந்து நம்ம வந்து what's on your mind, you must be having something on your mind or someone on your mind. அவங்களுக்காக இது வந்து நம்ம வந்து பார்ப்போம். டாரோ. ஓகே, கேன்சர். Your subconscious mind knows something. Okay, you have to they feel like you're very much immersed of deep thinking or something, and your subconscious knows something, the truth. Okay, and you're very much silent, and you're very much strict about certain situations or something, and you're very much emotional about it. You think this is going to be win, and you feel like or positive emotions, it's not like a negative emotions. Maybe they feel like for some people இதுவே ஒரு டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜாக இருக்கலாம். இதையே வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா ஒரு வீக்னஸாக கூட வந்து எடுத்துக்கலாம். பட் லெட்ஸ் see more. Full and full of emotions, full and full of love. Maybe it's a love reading or no. Or proper balance. They do have a good thought on you. I don't see like they do have a negative thought, but at the bottom of the deck it shows me Ace of Swords. That card shows me you're overthinking. That card shows me that you're overthinking of something. You're not getting a proper breakthrough or a proper success. It's not happening. This is how they feel like. But other than that, the person thinks you're a good, you have everything, like the source அப்படின்னு வந்து சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, and they do think you are a great manifester. If you think and if you want to make it happen, you can definitely make it happen. அந்த ஒரு இது வந்து எல்லாருக்கும் இருக்காது, but you do have that Cancer. Okay, you have to utilize it, and you have to do that. You do have that power, and you do have that capacity. So what I wish is, please do it. இதுதான் வந்து அவங்களும் வந்து நினைக்கிறாங்க about you. And they want you to take actions. They do feel like right now you are in a peace and harmony, well balanced thing, but don't think too much. You're very much emotional, very much இது எல்லாமே வந்து இருக்குது. பட் அட் த சேம் டைம் த ஆக்ஷன் ஆல்சோ ஹேஸ் டு பி டேக் பிளேஸ். ஒரு பிரேக் த்ரூ கிடச்சா நல்லா இருக்குமோ அப்படின்னு வந்து யோசிக்கிறீங்களோன்னு தோணுது. வாட் எவர் த சிச்சுவேஷன் இஸ், மேபி லவ், மேபி ஜாப், மேபி எனிதிங் கேன் பி. If you wish, if you want to make it happen, you can definitely make it happen. And the capacity and the இது வந்துட்டு you do have that, but I think you're not making it happen or என்னமோ தோணுது எனக்கு. Okay, how do you feel about them? How do you feel about them? How do you feel about them? You don't have a good thought about them, right? Definitely not. You do not have a good thought about them. You feel like they are a very, you feel like they have deceived you or something, or they are ignoring you, or they are avoiding you or something. You feel like they are a trap or something. Like, it is for some of the people, okay? The situation is for the some of the people. Um, but they know how to take it forward. Whatever happens, but they know take it forward. You feel like they are the pain for you. அவங்களுக்கு நல்ல இன்டென்ஷன் தான் இருக்குது பட் ஐ திங்க் இட் மே பி பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் யுவர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்சஸ் ஆர் சம்திங் பிகாஸ் யூ ஹாவ் experienced something bad in your life. This is why you are not thinking good about them. But situations are improving, or even when it comes to money or anything, the situations are not moving very fast. The actions are not taking very fast. எல்லாமே ஸ்லோவாக தான் வந்து நடந்துட்டுருக்கு பட் ஸ்டெடியாக நடக்குது, ரெகுலராக வந்து நடக்குது. பட் right now you feel like they have either they have betrayed you, or the situation could have betrayed you, or like you feel like they are the devil sometimes. To be very short and sweet, they are the devil for you. Immature person. This is why they think you as a very big person, but you don't have a very good thought about them. You don't think them as a very great person or something. You do think like they are the one who have for some of the people would have cheated you, or they would have put you in trap or something. This is how you feel about them. They are the pain in that dash. அந்த மாதிரி. Yes, it happens for some of the people, but we have to let it go. And I think you're well balanced, and you're on your own. You don't have very much either. But I think they do still think about you. They feel like they still want to have a future with you or something. Yes, அந்த தாட்லாம் உங்களுக்கு நிறையவே இருக்குது. நிறைய எமோஷன்ஸ், நிறைய லவ், நிறைய அஃபெக்ஷன்ஸ் they do have. But from your side, I don't think anything is from your side. So this is it for you. Thank you, Cancer.